Hariom students, all of you are obeying the instructions given by our government for road safety. You maintain 2 meter distance away in public place. Yesterday we studied a commutative property. That is, if A and B are two rational numbers, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. That is the addition is commutative for rational numbers. Then today we can study associative property, associativity. First we can do one example. Find 2 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. First question is 2 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Here if the number is given in bracket, first you have to do the operation in the bracket. That is, first you add 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 and then add it to 2 by 4. Then what is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2? 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 is equal to, here what is the LCM? LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. So it is equal to 3 by 4, 4 plus, here we multiply this 2 into 2 is 4. So in the numerator also we multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 by 4. Then 3 plus 2 by 4. That is equal to 5 by 4. 5 by 4. Then we add 2 by 4 plus 2 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. That is equal to 2 by 4 plus 5 by 4. That 5 by 4. That is equal to 7 by 4. So first we add the numbers in the bracket. The 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is here the denominator is not common. So to make the denominator equal, we have to multiply this both the numerator and denominator by 2. So it is equal to 2 into 2 is 4. Then the denominator will become 4. Then 3 plus 2 by 4, that is equal to 5 by 4. Then we add this sum to this 2 by 4. That is 2 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 plus 5 by 4. That is equal to 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 by 4. Then we can find what is 2 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Second one. 2 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 5 by 4. Then what is 2 by 4 plus 2 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Plus 1 by 2 is equal to, we can add this here. 5 here 2 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is 5 by 4. We already find. Then we can add this to 1 by 2. 5 by 4 plus 1 by 2. The LCM is 4. So it is equal to 5 plus 2 into 2, 1 into 2 is 2. 5 plus 2 by 4. That is equal to 7 by 4. Then are the answers are same. Here also we got 7 by 4 and here there also we got 7 by 4. So if we add the numbers in any order, the sum remains the same. So 2 by 4, first we add 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 and then add the sum with the 2 by 4. Or first we add this 2 by 4 and 3 by 4 first and then add the sum with this third number. Then the answer remains the same. So this property is called the associative property. So for any rational number A, B and C, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. That is, we can add the numbers in any order. The sum remains the same. Okay. So for any rational numbers, A, B and C, A, B and C, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. That is, if we add A plus B first and then add the sum with the C, or if we add A plus B plus C is equal to A plus, sorry, here the bracket is here, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. That is, if we add a number in any order, the sum remains the same. It is equal to A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. That is, if we add A plus B and then add the sum with the C, or if we add b plus c first and then add the sum with a, then the answer remains the same. That is, for any rational numbers a, b and c, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus a plus b plus c. That is, if the number is in bracket, first you do the addition in the bracket b plus c. Here, first you do the addition in the bracket, that is a plus b. A plus b plus c means, so Mitra, what is a plus b? Is if the a plus b is in bracket, what do you mean? First you do this sum, a plus b, and then add the answer with c. Then if it is a plus b plus c is in bracket, what do you do first? First we add b plus c and then we add the answer with a. Then the answer remains the same. This property is called the associative property. Here 2 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 is 7 by 4. That is, we add the sum and then add it with the 2 by 4. Then we got the answer 7 by 4. Here first we add this 2 by 4 plus 3 by 4 and then add it with the 1 by 2. Then also we get the same answer 7 by 4. So for any rational numbers a, b and c, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b, a plus b plus c. So first you do the operation in the bracket and then first you add a plus b and then add it with the c. Here first you add b plus c and add it with the a. This property is called the associative properties. That is, if we can add the numbers in any order but the sum remains the same. Okay. Next, find 11 by 14 minus 2 by 14 minus 1 by 14. Here 11 by 14 minus 2 by 14 minus 1 by 14. Here, Devanarana, what you do first? The first question. 11 by 14 minus 2 by 14 minus 1 by 14. Then first we do the, subtract this. That is 11 by 14 minus, what is 2 by 14 minus 1 by 14? Here the denominator is common. So 2 minus 1 by 14. That is 1 by 14. That is 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 by 14. Here first we do the subtract the numbers in the bracket. 2 by 14 minus 1 by 14 is equal to 11 by 14 minus 11 by 14 minus 1 by 14. That is 10 by 14. Then what is our second question? 11 by 14 minus 2 by 14 minus 1 by 14. Here what we do first? Here we do the 11 by 14 minus 2 by 14. What is 11 by 14 minus 2 by 14? It is equal to, what is 11 by 14 minus 2 by 14 is equal to 11 minus 2 by 14. That is equal to 9 by 14. So here what is the answer? So it is equal to 11 by 14 minus 9 by 14 and then 2 by 14 minus 1 by 14 is 1 by. So it is equal to 9 by 14 minus 1 by 14. What is it? It is equal to 9 minus 1 by 14. That is equal to 8 by 14. Are the answers same? Here if first we subtract 11 by 14 minus 2 by 14 minus 1 by 14 is equal to 10 by 14. Then we subtract the first two numbers first and then subtract with the third number, then we got another answer. So our answers are not equal. So what we can say here, the subtraction is not associative for rational numbers. Therefore, here if 11 by 14 minus 2 by 14 minus 1 by 14 is 10 by 14. But 11 by 14 minus 2 by 14 minus 1 by 14 is 8 by 14. So the answers are not same. Therefore, we can say subtraction is not associative for rational numbers. Subtraction is not associative for rational numbers. That is, if we subtract the numbers in any order, the answer will not remains the same. But addition is associative for rational numbers, but subtraction is not associative for rational numbers. If you subtract the numbers in any order, then the answer also will change. Okay. Next question. Find 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 into 1 by 2. First you find 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 into 1 by 2. Here first you, if the number is in bracket, first you do the multiplication in the bracket. Aparna, then what we do first? We multiply the 4 by 5 into 1 by 2. That is 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 into 1 by 2 is 4 by 10. That is 2 by 3 into 4 by 10 is equal to 2 into 4 by 3 into 10. That is equal to 8 by 8 by 30. So, to multiply 4 by 5 into 1 by 2, we multiply both the numerator and denominator separately. So, 4 into 1 is 4 and 5 into 2 is 10. So, 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 into 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 3 into what is the product? Product is 4 by 10. So, it is equal to 8 by 8 by 30. Then what is 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 into 1 by 2? Here what we do first, Sivasundar? Here first we multiply this 2 by 3 into 4 by 5. What is 2 by 3 into 4 by 5? It is equal to what? 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 is 2 into 4 by 3 into 5. That is 8 by 15. 8 by 15. So, this answer is 8 by 15. 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 is 8 by 15. So, we write instead of this, that is equal to 2 into 4 by 3 into 5. Or we can write the answer here. The 2 by 3 into 4 by 5, we do it here. Then we can write the answer here. 8 by 15 into 1 by 2. That is equal to 8 by 8 into 1 by 15 into 2. What is it? It is equal to 8 by 30. So, if we multiply the numbers in any order, the product remains the same. Here, 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 into 1 by 2. First we multiply the second and third one and multiply the answer with the first one. We got the answer 8 by 30. Second, we multiply the first and second number and multiply it by the third number also. We got the answer 8 by 30. So, we can say that the multiplication is associative for rational numbers. Therefore, multiplication is associative for rational numbers. Multiplication is associative for rational numbers. That is for any rational number. Any rational numbers A, B and C, A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. That is, if we can multiply numbers in any order, the product remains the same. That is, if A and B are A, B and C are for any rational numbers A, B and C, A into B into C. This means that if we multiply B into C first and multiply it by A, then what is A into B into C means? A into B into C. Srinidhi, first you multiply which numbers? First you multiply these numbers in the bracket A into B. Then you multiply the product with C. Then also you will get the same answer. That is, multiplication is associative for rational numbers. So, what we studied today? Addition is associative for rational numbers. Subtraction is not associative for rational numbers. And third one, multiplication is associative for rational numbers. We can do more questions in the next class. Assignments will be given through Google Classroom. Thank you and Hari Om.